no edru Ghana mansum dru yen abusua makoma num wo mu nyina ehwe wo mu nkwa nipa num a wo mu nyina wo abusua ba kum sansa ware aka wo mu abom da som abronsan yi so ya wo mu hye ene ode abase na wotwe awie yi ene kokosie wo mu na ebra ye deda wo mu pa na hwese de abusua no obi esu oye den obesu enye we maame na ewu enye we papa na ewu enye we nuaba na ewu obi esu ni de enti e ma honum ya areho papa areho samu ebofa danso mama SDA sofo ne yere ne ma ne maame ene wo faase wo mu nyina eja efa wo mu ho ema wo mu hie ena democrat di ayeyo no mu mfoni autographic katafe to so edunsia ebra ededa wo mu na yato something na wode friend say adaka no sisi honom obi a de fufuo ns ko bobo ho ni nyina democrat yi atwamfoni de abase de na abusuani so wo mu jam utimi se ade ato mo ni ampa eno na democrat yi de aba eti wunya bia obehunu ni nyina eno se mensoso de sa bre humi a me pompe we anye kaskala ejina ne na so national organizer at the National Democratic Congress NDC amanyoko no Kofi Adams eno se de wo jina ne na so pampe sabo papo ya organizer national organizer slot no kwa bia so anim se ebeba na fanti wo bontoa wo ye de wo so ye bia se de be ya de ni so ade hunu no ebetimi aba method disasafo no so anya bishop foforo Dr. Right Reverend Dr. Paul Boafo ene ye yi no as a presiding bishop
and sorry enya heads pastors
presby so enya moderator ena Pentecost and Methodist so eka ho enti enye nsori nketo anso so nsori akese no esesaya eba mu eno no dogbe enso so ena say first round knockout while win over Japan Otaki na akwa no mu ya Joseph oya boxer there
for joko bie no hu na say wa ko 31 we lusu we are the third fighter we lusu
ani omo nu omusia ni ho fui to de bia wa wadi nkuni enkuni mpapa bia
ye kan no echi ase agire abrantie no ansa obeba no wo hwe de we no si ya no person hunu na dogbe o se dogbe asem ye o ka o se nehu no ti ase na me hwe ni interview nehu o se bibi shefom uprooted ti nehu you can say nehu nehu it wojina wonya de nehu sa na abrantie nze se obetuna ase yo bo abrantie na ni tin na wo so afra de body no nam se ayeka
ya abrantie na nya de na dogbe na ho de
da bi o dogbe blow no o hwe blow no
ni dogbe ho de
obo blow na okay me person make high in from him ono obo blow ba ko bi ahonhon ba ko free mu fie
oh I had oya me yani da so Ghana boxing mu after Azuma Nelson as he said then sorry ahumache se yakwa boxing da eti dogbe na oya masa ahotoso na base betimi asori ahumache se yakwa akwe sanse bibi papa bibi from eti congratulations ewo win over Japan ni oya papa no ya brante congratulations dogbe youngwe
yakoya nim de ane de delegate ne de to aso na hwa wase aban GFE ensam ne kopie mu court na ban so wotwe e de afri court ntie na delegate no saka obetimi akenkan bi sanso e na George Manowia South Africa mampanyini yeso obo manfo abaso ekwa ase ko fidie wu je ekufo ama paaba wa frena bonabaso ama no meda kama wo ne de tra konwa so prensa ene yesi panyini wo fie ye ne nyina ye ne modem bo a waboa aboa ma bibirim so etimi akonkane enye ono ko Asenvenga nso wo bonabaso bi wo bekaya wo hu Georgia picture bi a one Asenvenga na nyo Georgia sabre not se me ache mu be se me nsa
hwe ne so ntremu aseda de bena
obeka se kuru ni afa ni yayi na free foforo nti opanyine ne boy iti safo ni nyina da na woto ne sa ede from a wode abo mabaso sanso na was Minister of Finance Floor Stretch over 2.25 billion dollar bond nti ene won saka de obokrata e friends daily guide obehu say ya bond na won sem ba ye ene say ye kopie mu o shraj ene nsam e kopie mu o court ni ade nyina won sabeti aka bi na hanso na CDD nsema woka ene say wasema me Charlotte say be kan sem bi so abato e to ye na 49% turnout ni nyina da was scandalous enya dia no kurubia ewo mu ene daily guide nsem bi ka we ho no de nam
ene na ye fa daily heritage democrat no kan ho ekata fa to so yensan wo se ye de Ghana ni bia kwakotum ewo Ukraine ne bone a wa ye ne san ya nka Ghana fo ye kwa Ukraine fo akwakoko a yeso akwako tua adamude ora Israel 12 mensa yesi oyedwadini a owo enkran hanom na democrat a chiremu a wo se wodena kwakotum ewo ne duafie bi a ewo Ukraine ni din ni de onya kata ni bia no wa hwa abo ena ya bon kwadu ese na nko pesa obma immigration officer bi bribe ena say hey ena na how oso jejeje we dey we dey beto koko ena say me koko oso mpe koko ka frati osi miti osi na cafe ena say Jack the one is biru we do baby ejira na tough men say so 32 years ebra woni ni di nkomo no ancha kura na Ukraine security agency bebefa no ede na akwakotumu wo mu de ne fa mrakwan so pepepe ena ono agi tumu ese enokre ese woko manu mu se wo hwehwe ni nu e friend Nuruddin Brown Richardson na ohwe na wo hunu no na fe akasa se wo hunu de asan kofie ena se bra If you Japadia na matom dia do ha yo mi kofi no kwa kodi den entu de nka jiwebu wata so na ozo hwe wo de kantan fees kwa kota kro no de besen kwa ene awo neti kwa e de na kwa kohyemi nti we de kwa ho ako a enye ye yesu ba dada na suba na ye de nam na eno a ene de democrat hse wo de abai ena Ghana post wo se atimu bio ahye Ghana fo nyina enkwan se ye keka se ye se ba be yi wo madwuma efo adia enye no kre nipa wo mo kasa no mu nim ba bia efri UN so wo se Kofi Annan Busumru ne dwuma bedi ma wo mo no wo mo ni aso nti wo magu nhwen ade ahye no animonyam democrat heritage ene dia ma
asa na obeto aso no Vodafone semen kan se de don komi no kwa na ekoso ye di 10 years since ye bibia ye bia no ye kabo ho taa enti no makabo mu kura say painan e do montema be boy Adom praise ano no ti wo bo modern na talk credit no 10 cedis na ya bo modern na ya kabo ho 10 ye de acho na ye 100 cedis se wo call bia bia Vodafone to other networks no 10 pesos per ena ubetua wo di answer be 135 now I enjoy this amazing anniversary offer Kolongana Limited si ano pebo modi ana bra wo be ma wo Junso ana Junso mo style bi emaye wayase ye ya na Junso na bonta Vicenta for na wo be wo yare bra ya na ye de Robert show be mam ne nkan fori na moja kakra wachire pomodi ana share so se wo be pe eye Kolongana Limited for honcho capsules ne be na one recharge and so ho wakofoma e be ma na sore kama pa na timi abo adwuma no tem pa Star Assurance si ano pay bra pomodi ana yire ho a surprise bi wo ho a enye surprise papa say ye fro na ye ka asem bi a e be ma oyema ju say bram de wo bo modi ana say wo Star Assurance so asene a e ya hoto so kokora na obenya wo de ana so be from 0302 245 906 or 907 or 908 Star Assurance your solid partner and no edan chanya Ecobank say de ye na wasio thanks a million promo no koso na so your customer na wo mobile phone nko ade a wo dia na se obekọ Google Play Store na Apple Store ho na se pan na fe wa download Ecobank mobile app na to phone no so and now dial star 770 hasha na wa activate your express account no the obedi be ni betimi di bi ato airtime wo be send sika ko be bi person de ko bia betimi di bi atua wo bill so person we withdrawals a obeye ni nyina pepepe obetumi asend sika de bank bia enso na we nyina no across Africa ina Ghana ka ho nti be mfa eni agro customers num de bia ye che wono ma de Ecobank the Pan African Bank ba ma renfio Adom praise ebaso papa medical catcher says so to me eben any elder meku enwumia to na to no yi pa na fe metimi acho ticket kama na wo de krono hyase ene ya kusi efiada ye de dwumadie no de ebebrew no obetimi afre 0268499347 or 0302261561 or 0302 216562 na afei watimi atonyum na yenso yetimi acho ticket ne bi kama pa momodi anso na share nso se eba no Adom DWASO NSEM health bit Nadia my ref say performance for men, a nutritional supplement for vitality and performance and immunity. Memedro unduma wo be ma betumi hu say yes we gina wona so pa we nya tofi asem babua ye mo hu say wo be memu. St Victory Homeopathic Clinic in Social Pebra gonorrhea syphilis na wo junso tem so nyo bia wano munso na afi so junso no so ntimi mayi wapa wo ni bia emma wonyem nso a na asay eno danche wo sisi afi stroke diabetes malaria and afi typhoid how the ndin kokoro nso efi moja ni na afi yare ahodo akari na no bo de ba ya so wo St Victory Homeopathic Clinic wo Kanashi in between the Small Foot Bridge and Fidelity Banker won sabetimi aka friend 0244 528585 or 0264 528585. Sini anko.
Me afa Ghanaian Times do bokata no emfanto aso na omanpanyin se we dem fa chem. O se nsem bi ha ne pa na kwadwo ye wo man mu se ka so bi eye vocational skills and technical skills a wo se pempi ni ana ye fa so se nipa kro no wabon.
Ye ko school
ka na so tabu a wanyade. Me kai se ko school na me business. Sabre na ye costing and accounting and IBM and me jai nam kwa visualize amafo so akwani timi wa bodo ti no kwa visualize na so ni nyina na so bia na de ope o mampanyini se enne se Ghana betu akwana nim a just Ghana ha ye fa vocational training very serious essence no obi wia o wadwuma ye obi be wi school no abotai na wa shata de fitade okopa adwuma ye obetwa no sa be sha ne moto mu tutu asate wa nantie ma ne hu fifre nya agro adwuma no hwan na ekobie na wa benya bia ye o mampanyini se de ne abrepa se vocational training and technical skills wo be hwe am na fa ne ntema pefra se de be betimi aboa amagana so etimi akonanim na kratafa etoso miensa na wode aba betu dwase nipa mienu bi ato anana no monse do ama emu nan enso eda resabi mu oden pa yes don kokro nom koto fish bi yes friend puff fish puff fish na puff fish nom koto ye no say na obi nim say ye wudro ne wo mu se dan yu wo mu wa wedi me yam asa agragro ne mom so say de wo mu kwa resabi nkodu na ese mienu adi kan kwadada ene nan ne da ya resabia na yes aduan no mu di a na nkra bi o nkra ne bia no matika kranom de atofom ne nkra no so adi afi nkra no so de miao sa nkra no so nan o mu nyina egu
ma me kwa amano so na fa ye ne broja jemfi ambon komo na ye ba na ya to aso broja wote me nka me mo acha no pe ba dom 106.3
ojo so captain ma ti on kana che
na me wo mo mjidi sa won so ho ye pa
na ado
kuma se ye boko
oh bibiabo
mo that's it what the finance minister Echo Shraj na enwechi no report ne bae na enim se wo bo sa ne sa kukura asam no call high court say there bi ensem na Shraj tie kire ne de Shraj kan ni na no wa bato egu wo hu ne sai
me da city captain na mame enche fo amapai na memfa we fi dikesi so embo ensemchefo echi wadaruma nimso yensemchoni but mame kwan amapai na membo ensemchefo ni bi echi pa me ho dream anopai papa say daily graphic and a man who kwan say finance minister ne be use no the minister of information ne be use no say daily graphic enye aban kasa mafo nkasa ma aban eni nipa e wa aban nti toda asemba enya butrentie mu ansan ye de pen atokrata so actually asemo daily graphic bi ba enya nkwe eye adwenfobia ni ka bi akobo peto mo de bedada oman no e wo sa asemo e dawa anye ne sin ehu na aban Daily kind, asemu adoni gas of the bar pay. Esi bosumia etwem. July and a high court edi ruling the buy. Sa ruling no a high court the buy. And yan want them and a daily gas economic pay. And next room. Ubeka say e di asem ne kodan Shraj dey on report ebeto 140-page report. Charge for a casting page 121 and a page 130 or 131 many reports made by the community. Me can't not say, and yes, I'm a tia, make me a pen, I can't tell you. But tried a class in the war report to me say, almost here, almost you a sensitive be by one. And he said, Finance Minister, the Japadia, I wasn't for the Tuja, Auditor General, 179 Tuja. It is sad if we to Shimuna almost share the idea of interest, any idea, and on a bet conflict of interest, not a DTP. It can say, one fan of Japadia in Tuja. I mean, to me, to Shimuna, my DTP. And a conflict of interest is one time I'll be to me, yes, I Shimuna, my DTP. I just want to look at the Japadia, any bed, a Juma Dia, any interest in. Now, it's not such a one. And some are almost near to me. I should show the Japadia. No, what's so we declare other 2 million. I can't know many people 2 shards for you. Now, in fact, a Japadia mission. Into only rules happen to the other and Mujai. Into they only made a comment in the report. It was not part of their findings. In Germany, and American say, shall the first say, you to me far conflict of interest and both finance minister. No, finance minister will change your Ghana and ratification. Public Financial Management Act, Section 56. Finance Minister Bush, I will thank for this Abolition for Parliament, one part. I think the Bank of Ghana auction guidelines. Actually, when I first moved with the Finance Minister, one part maybe, and some information for every your friend is saying, Finance Minister, the office, every Bank of Ghana, now a big planet. Now, companies are almost about this age and for one to that. Into Obchetia, Bank of Ghana auction guidelines. A charge findings in a room. And I made sure that my charge said, if I said there was no formal petition before charging, I moment 1 year investigation on asset declaration. It charge for a failure. There's a formal petition. Monitoring to show me or asset declaration. The dia, number two, the interest to be a conflict with the interest as a public officer. In the charge for city investigation after and a finance minister, as far as Attorney General or High Court said, someone tried extra report to minister when declaring assets. Or man of Kenya, into rules of natural justice, their money here into were breaching the rules of natural justice. Into court, any document needs to charge report to me. Now, so court and entity charge and say, many petition on the other 2 million. And my own to share finance minister after declaration there. And none of course will give after looking with it. The issue about asset declaration, when you free report to me, now so much rather and also and young Shishimu as far asset declaration. When a court may come with it. It has nothing to do with the findings. In fact, findings we said Finance Minister will breach Public Financial Management Act. And that will be hot. And when I actually said Ghana and shop will be sharp in some said, yes, see, Mamma Charlotte say, we check your Ghana Parliament in Lao Moyes, a year procurement act. Until young agreement minister, Captain Lebois.
Sana Yateno.
And a finance minister also, Ethiopia and Parliament, and also a Public Financial Management Act. Finance minister there, or the Hamuti office. What is the media doing about it? Because there is no court, finance minister, or court to challenge any findings of charge. If you care to know, charge of an administrative body, the power, and then the king of the year, and make committee more external charlotte say, they are all administrative bodies. They all have the same power. You see, everything Chief Justice Committee Cafe will be an enactment so, Parliament statute so, yes, unfortunately, finance minister quite take a Ghana and Russell there, or down to office here. Now, Ghana is central point means someone. Now, after more enter findings, no problem. After what I'm not really soon next year. Now, I thought and what damage than every better. Ghana,
and don't say Afro wins. It's all because of Ghana and Central Phone can't want some. And one thing Afro wins.
Mr. Central will be.
Okay.
Now, the other young said, you can call it a wholly private owned entity. And then yes, I don't have to declare only interest deal. Daily graphics and my new you know, and I buying and sour so and I got that yen amount. Intimate long later interview. So I told you, General, what a minister of information said. That large finding to say finance minister will take your Ghana Blason. After him or down to office, we are almost at the and a similar finding. I think that because finance minister or your company, the man in your bedroom. Now the business in your attorney general.
All right.
Finance minister, you are. You say bank will move Bank of Ghana guidelines near the bank. Bank will take your Bank of Ghana must be a good bank. Or no, also one of Bank of Ghana option guidelines.
Jim,
finance minister. Again, I have already a magnificent and nobody is touching the finance minister. And I tell them they've done it and story to deceive the descendant public. I am the rock farmer daily gap.
All right, young fan paper. Now, actually, you be come here. You are doing praise. I be come here.
Yo, that's it.
Roger Jemfe, a youth organizer, my NDC, or Ashanti region. And I'll tell you, Canon. I am my uncle.
Yo, yeah, na Mamencha Kunlun Ghana Limited at my phone, Mr. Q and Penny for Jonas and Mr. Apusiga Ali.
Mr. Q, no, what me full box, no, I'm in tracker.
Adaka Nina.
Adaka Nina.
And can may a friend is saying middleman, middle woman.
Mumfa box in the
bro.
And says about 100 Ghana. They're showing you 100 Ghana.
Oh, debut in Kitsuano. And the boy costra, Benyan Bear train between 20-25.
And the Mumbra Madaka Nimu.
And so, Adaka.
Okay, and the Enfacas. Papa no pebi your friend, Unyapa. A man of box on the back on their cuisine fee. My son about some brain bin. But when you war and the good hot water.
Adaka, they say it's all the distribution.
Now, what tear goom? A fraud warn upon a ash.
But you're fast running.
David, would you go a warm no way hitty?
That's it. Oh, young queen anymore. Chronicle the book at 10 years. Chronicle say, a baba be wedding fear do me and son. And crofobie chin uncle Moko Kumno. Na busia, a cobo apostle for our work as swam and yena. Womutu, or for foot to a demo, Mr. Womufanum compaibo. Na a bay swanky uncle Shana Junimu. And a busian is not womu castle or mufus or Macagana. A hobambo, and she said, who said, woman can what there are some number catapults with do me and son. Was say, I could there what if you do me and son with junior high school. Now, was say, and crophobie and the chin no coco see na June that also adonu and what you are fiamu. And now, or call Adom estate taxi rank here, work as walk when you are so wakofaka. Naka be a pakisu and a mammy in the tin or mofan no coco share baby. Was a baby I didn't coco share any ban hosono. Na nim baby or she said Dania to all a fa home maybe negum. Nanya me and a domanit me pay and a bush for some cocoa book as opposed to for mania. One can near do a move for some no debut a month for Baba report and so go position. You will not do best on pen on paper. It's a quad is one to me to nephew sans will show someone near chain and our share woman sono. I'm here woman not woman akukum no tiano democrat at the one summer by our chronicle.
Yafa Ghanaian observer and fire and twasonara. Open so the two crew recra ne bra ruma so krobia arufia sante kotoko hene otumfo wo se tutu abibio nyamekese wotutu ne ntima kama edem pempena de egu ne nsa ebibo ni tri utunu sampa hinie de one Ghana mampanyine na nado dan kokufu ad no so ahwe political suit blue black pa with their chest out utunu so wase ne bo na yase wo mampanyine se abasobɔde akɛseɛ paa ɛna wɔde ma asantehene ɛsan sɛ emra chebi mai to wɔn sa ɛde frɛ no na wɔhwɛ sɛ de wɔsi nya wo pepa na ɔyɛ n'adwene so wɔ ba no wɔne asantema nyina daba bepie mu hɔ na yɛ abasobɔ kɛseɛ paa ɛna wɔso wɔde ma no ne bios no wie natenaeɛ jubilee house so wɔba bɛkyea no ɛma wɔde ɔdɔ bɔdom te ne abasobɔde no wɔde ma wotumfoɔ na hwɛ nso wɔse chebi hene was it Wachene Laos Free Senior High School? Not just say Wachene was it Free Senior High School, Nediaba, a year, Tigana Dishing, and I am Presso near moi, Eman. The first year, the other home runner by the father was so at Waso Anope. I had Adom 106.3, and they bury a Capital Bank Wednesday, Unibank.